The light, the water is very cheap. Electricity never off. 24 hours we have electricity. 24 hours we have water. Fast train, they say kaam, goes like aeroplane. From one place to another place you can reach like in seconds, in minutes and hours. In 2012 we started company EU here. We do exports for South America. Customer ask us what picture we find for him and export for him. For like example, we are specially deal in toys, hardware, kitchenware, electronics, daily use and many more. Socks and mufflers, caps, Christmas item, plastic goods, many items. China have many items, so we have to fight every day. We have to fight and find one new item. In India we have very big tax, like many items we cannot put in the India. Toys we cannot do, flask we cannot do. Every item have 20% tax, 30% tax, 40% tax. For example, 1 RMB item you have buy 1 RMB, then pay 30% tax. It's already in India 30 rupees, 40 rupees, so people cannot buy. So it's very difficult. But in China it's another way. Like they have fixed tax. They don't have 20%, 30%. They have tax, but 2%, 3%, and that's it. The light, the water is very cheap. If you compare in India, the light is very expensive. Wow, you cannot imagine. One day you have to pay like many thousands for light. For in China, one unit is only for some like 80 cents or 90 cents. It's very cheap. Water is also very clear, easy to drink, healthy water. And water is like 4 RMB, 0.5 or 5 RMB for 1 unit, so it's very good. And electricity never off. 24 hours we have electricity, 24 hours we have water. In India, one day we no have light, one day have water, one day have water, one day don't have, one day have, one day no have. China 24 hours, 365 days always have water coming, and the speed, clear, smell. So these things is very good. Like in India, the main is working hours. Like we have to work every day, because in India I was working for one shop, mobile shop. We need to work 18 hours, 16 hours, no have high salary, very low salary, like 20 RMB one day, 10 RMB one day. But in China is 100 RMB one day. Wow, unbelievable. And have Saturday, sometimes if we are not busy, Saturday have holiday, Sunday have fixed holiday, then have Chinese New Year holiday 1 month, then have national, Chinese national have holiday. So we have good environment and good working hours, so we are happy to work more. And you will see China now day by day is growing up. Fast train, they say kaam, they so fast, look like goes like aeroplanes. From one place to another place you can reach like in seconds, in minutes and hours. So it's very fast for China. These things I like very much. I love China and I feel China is my second home. So I never feel away from my home. We have good friends, they treat us like a brother. We have lopanya in the market, they treat us like a mom. We have some bosses, they treat us like a father. So we miss our family, but okay, for get something you have to lose something. So it's okay. Sometimes in holidays we can meet our parents. And but amazing, China is really amazing. It's growing day by day up, like our age. Before we were small, growing. China also growing like that, and same we want to grow like China. So I just pray God to give me good health, good wealth, so I can work good and earn more money. Thank you.